What's going on, guys? So we are here at work. I can't show my name tag, so all of this is going to be blurred out. But we are going to service this trailer right here by me, by my side. There you go. We're going to service that trailer. And yeah, y'all going to follow. Doing a review on this Milwaukee grease gun. Best grease gun you can ever get. Seriously. Gotta wipe this down though. Too much grease. What's up, guys? Sorry for the noise. So this here, what I'm doing is called a trailer PM. Basically, you're gonna grease the underneath of the trailer. You're going to check the brakes, check the tires, check the pressures, make sure everything's good. Check the lift gate if there's a lift gate. If there is a reefer on it, which is a like a refrigeration unit to keep foods and stuff cold, we gotta check that too. You know, check your batteries, make sure everything's good. So right now, I am just greasing with this Milwaukee gun, which I do want to do a product review on it because it's super cool and so much more efficient than any other product I've ever used. Where the heck is this other thing? I think it's right here. There. One more here. Go. The cool part about this gun, it does have a flashlight so you can see at night with a press of a button. That's pretty cool. It also has this dial on the sides that has different like speed indications for the grease to come out. You also have a lock button when this is pressed in. Well, did I lock it? No. You can't grease anything. So when you press this button in, the trigger doesn't work. When you press this button, then it triggers. What else? To refill, you just unscrew this and you can put in a sleeve or fill it up with grease. You have 2 different speeds here as well. And you also have an air bleed purge, which is a button right here in the front. This button, if you press it, it'll bleed whatever air is out. As you see, grease is coming out, so you know it's good. And there's also a storage here. And one thing I love about these Milwaukee batteries is by the press of a button, you can see how much charge you're at. So that's pretty damn cool. This is definitely worth it, especially if you are tired of pumping grease, manually pumping it by your hand, because I know I do. My hand cramps up after a while pumping. This, with just one trigger, it greases everything within a matter of seconds, which is pretty quick and pretty good. So I definitely recommend getting this. I'll leave the link in the description below on Amazon, because I know they actually have pretty good deals on Amazon for these. The Milwaukee automatic grease gun. It's definitely worth it. And all these batteries are interchangeable, so they can go on any Milwaukee product, except some of the little guns. Those have a different battery, or a different style battery. But this is pretty good. You know, this is worth it. It's definitely worth the buy. I think I paid somewhere around. I got it on sale for like $170 or something, which is a pretty good deal. But I don't think they have that sale anymore. So normal price was like $250 or something, I believe. But Amazon, I saw that they had some good deals, so I'll leave a link on the description below for you guys. So if you guys like this, you know, definitely click on the link and check it out if you guys want one. And if you guys also like a day in the life of this, you know, let me know, and I'll make more videos like this to show you guys other stuff, which is pretty cool. So let's get back to work, and I'll show you the rest of the PM. Okay, so since we're already under here, we're going to use our brake tool and our chalk to check our brakes and make sure that they are great. So let me show you how that looks. We're at 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters of brakes. And we just do the same thing for the others. So guys, currently right now I'm underneath the trailer. Oh, you're seeing my chest hairs. Let's cover that up a little bit. But currently right now I'm underneath the trailer. So basically there is this whole procedure I have to go through. There is some paperwork that I have to fill out, going through telling me stuff to do, like drain the wet tank, check the brakes, check the tires, check the air pressures, torque down the wheels, check the entire undercarriage of the trailer, make sure there's no holes, no rust spots, open the back of the trailer, check that the door slides easy, check that the lift gate works if there's a lift gate, check the reefer unit and make sure that works if that's there. You know, check the inside, make sure all the lights work, hook up the trailer. There's a special trailer cord that we have that we can hook up the trailer to make sure all the lights on the outside work as well as the interior. Check the air brakes on it. There's another hookup that we have with the air compressor that we can hook up and check that as well. You know, check basic stuff like all your brackets and all your bolts and stuff like this. Check your lines, make sure there's no air leaks, make sure nothing is giving you a problem, because these truckers go out there with their lives. Basically we're the ones who are responsible for their lives, so we have to make sure that everything is taken care of to the proper spec. And you know, this will allow all the products in America to get delivered. So with the one trailer down, that throws off a lot of stuff, so we can't have anything down. We got to keep moving and keep pushing forward, guys. So I'm gonna get back to work. Thank you guys so much for watching the day in the life of a diesel technician. That is just a short glimpse of what I do on a day-to-day basis on the job. So basically, you know, that's everything that it goes into. That was just a trailer PM I showed you. There are other PMs such as the semi-truck, which that's a separate PM in itself. There's so much more involved in that. We have CPMs, BPMs, and APMs. Those are different levels. So an APM is more like a beginner thing, just an oil change and grease the truck and really look over it. Those are for the first couple thousand miles in the truck. After that, we have the BPM, which is like, you know, the oil change, change the fuel water separator, grease the underneath the truck, make sure nothing's leaking, everything is good. You know, check the brakes, check tires, everything, so on and so forth. And then the CPM, which is you have a battery load test, high voltage drop test, heavy duty voltage drop test, we do as well. Then you have the oil change and everything listed in the previous PMs before, as well as a federal annual inspection, and you put the sticker on the door, check if the IFTAs is okay and whatnot, and we replace those. So CPMs are usually once a year. Well, they are once a year, every 365 days. B's are every 180 days. A's is, I think A's is up to the first 100,000 miles, I believe, or 50,000. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's up to the first 100K. Don't quote me on that one. But guys, I want to say thank you all for watching this video. If you have watched this video and you waited to the end, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and help me move up in this platform. And guys, so far we are past the 2,500 mark in subscribers. I cannot wait to hit the 3,000 mark. It's such a big deal to me that you guys are actually viewing my stuff, enjoying it. One of my very last video I released, not the air brakes one, but the one before that, the Chevy Avalanche, why I believe, you know, that might be the best truck in the world. That's almost at 500 views, which this is the first time I ever released a video where it picked up so quick, and all the stats on that video is like up there, and it's just amazing. So thank you all for watching it and being a part of that video. Please be a part of this video. If you guys want to see anything more like this, please let me know in the comment section below and tell me that you want to see more day in the life of, and I will try my best to film it. The reason why I blurred everything out is because I don't want to get into the politics with the company. You know, I'm not talking bad about them. They're a good company. I just rather keep their name private, and if you stumble upon them, you stumble upon them. But I just want to keep it private between that. It's just something for me. But I really want to show people, like, you know, what it entails to be a diesel tech, the things that you have to do. Not every day is going to be a great day. You're going to have some headaches along the way. I hate doing tires. Tires are a pain, but they got to be done. It's a lot of hard work, but some days are easier than others. And we're not flat rate. We do get paid hourly. I don't know if other shops are flat rate. Maybe dealerships are. But other than that, it's a good field. But you all know where I stand on it already. I did make a video on that. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it up here in the link below or up here in the link above. Yeah, guys, so with that being said, I did leave the link in the description for you guys for the Milwaukee grease gun. If you guys are interested in that, please, you know, click on it. Go check it out on Amazon. It's definitely worth the buy. I have the review. Tell me what you think. Leave the comment in the section below. It's definitely worth every penny because it saves so much time. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. And thank you all for liking. So, peace out. And I'll see you all another time. Peace.